Hello and welcome to Eliza K's famous progression number 2. Actually, it has Eliza S. Kelly on here, so I guess we're not hiding anything by protecting your name. But let's have a listen here. I chose a string sound for this one. And I wanted to expose the melody once. Although the instructions say play fast, so let's increase it a little bit. Let's try moderate. It's playful. It sounds like a nice song to hum in your head as you stroll through a park. I like the note there that's kind of leading into it. Leader, dun dun dun, leader, dun dun dun. Oh, let me see here. I'm gonna practice this. Yeah, and I think that is nice and fast. Let's go to the next one here. This is going to change the theme a little bit. Dun. This is play slower, so this sound works well for the slow. Dun, 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 dun. And I crescendoed up into that. Oops, that's just supposed to be F. Let's go even slower. And powerful. Let's see what it sounds like an octave up. I just changed it on my keyboard so it looks the same. How about one octave higher? Here we go again. Now higher notes are able to go faster and not sound muddy. So let's take the speed up a little bit. Oops. There we go. And now we can bring it back down to the normal range, and let's see what page 3 is like. Here we have similar theme. Not similar at all. What am I saying? Dun, 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 dun. And we have some nice little patterns in here where we have the broken chord, bum, 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 and then together. And then here's broken, broken. So this is a nice mix of the unified chord and the broken chords. Oops. Dun, 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 dun. And let's see how page 4 goes. And this says play fast. Dun, 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 dun. And then I think we're just supposed to either hold these or take a rest there. Let's see what it sounds like. Dun, 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 and then dun, dun, dun. Oops, and then dun, dun, dun. That's kind of a nice little syncopated rhythm. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. And then we should end probably with a very full C chord with just a C at the end. Or we could even go low like that. And that is the wonderful famous progression 2 by Eliza Kelly. Bravo. Good job.